Make homemade baby food with ease using a high-quality baby food maker designed for fresh, nutritious meals. These all-in-one machines offer steaming, blending, and reheating functions, ensuring the perfect texture for every stage of feeding. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best baby food makers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Chefhandy 5-in-1 baby food processor is a powerful 300-watt appliance designed for effortless baby food preparation. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade ABS and stainless steel, it ensures both durability and safety. Weighing 4.96 pounds and operating at 240 volts, it delivers reliable performance for parents seeking convenience. Featuring both automatic and manual blending modes, this baby food steamer and blender allows for customized food textures, catering to your baby's needs. The detachable stainless steel blade guarantees smooth blending while making cleanup a breeze. Equipped with a stainless steel steam basket and a food-grade stainless steel water tank, this unit provides even heating while preserving essential nutrients. Its robust construction ensures long-term usability and safe food preparation. With its 5-in-1 functionality, this baby food processor seamlessly integrates steaming, blending, sterilizing, and bottle warming. The 10-ounce BPA-free blending cup offers ample space for meal preparation, making it an all-in-one solution for busy parents. The Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker. Deluxe simplifies homemade baby food preparation with its automatic steaming and blending function. With the press of a button, it effortlessly steams and blends fresh ingredients into smooth purees in as little as 10 minutes. No need to transfer food between steps. Unlike other food makers, this all-in-one system ensures a seamless process from start to finish. With a generous 3.5 cup capacity, it accommodates various portions for different stages of your baby's development, whether making smooth purees, chunkier mashes, or nutrient-packed meals. 3 settings: automatic steam and blend, steam only, and blend only give parents full control over the consistency and texture. 4 precision-engineered stainless steel blades ensure efficient blending, while the accessible steam tank allows for easy cleaning. The removable water tank simplifies refilling, and the bowl and blades are dishwasher safe for hassle-free maintenance. This 12-piece system comes with everything needed to make, store, and serve baby food. The MOMYEASY Baby Food Maker is an all-in-one solution for effortless meal prep. Designed to steam, cook, defrost, warm bottles, blend, chop, and puree, it streamlines the daily feeding routine. The 2-layer steamer basket allows multiple foods to cook simultaneously, ensuring a variety of nutritious meals. Suitable for fruits, vegetables, and meats, this essential tool simplifies baby food preparation. Preserving food nutrition is a priority. Utilizing frequency conversion steaming technology, this high-end food maker accurately controls temperature, ensuring even heating while separating excess water. This process retains essential proteins, minerals, and vitamins crucial for a baby's healthy growth, making it an indispensable part of early nutrition. The BEABA Babycook Express is a game-changer for busy parents looking to prepare fresh, homemade baby food in record time. Constructed from durable plastic, this 6-pound all-in-one appliance eliminates the need for pots, pans, blenders, or microwaves. Its express mode cooks 25% faster than the Babycook Solo, allowing you to steam raw meat, chicken, fish, fruits, or vegetables into nutritious meals in 15 minutes or less. Dishwasher-safe components ensure effortless cleanup, making meal prep a breeze. With 2 cooking modes, Express for speed and Eco for efficiency, this baby food maker adapts to your needs. The 4-in-1 functionality enables steaming, blending, defrosting, and reheating, preserving vital nutrients thanks to the elevated steam basket. Its extra-large 1,000 milliliter capacity allows for batch cooking, yielding up to 34 servings in one cycle. The EVLA's Double Baby Food Maker is designed to simplify meal prep while preserving essential nutrients. With 300 watts of power and 110 volts, this efficient processor steams, blends, reheats, and defrosts, ensuring your baby gets the freshest, healthiest meals. Its durable plastic construction is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless. Equipped with 2 steaming baskets, this versatile system lets you cook multiple ingredients simultaneously, streamlining meal preparation. The steamer gently cooks fruits, vegetables, and meats to maintain flavor and nutritional value, while the blender creates smooth purees for easy digestion. Need to serve leftovers? The reheat function brings pre-cooked meals to the perfect temperature, and the defrost option safely thaws frozen food while retaining nutrients. As your baby grows, this all-in-one unit adapts to their needs, offering everything from finely blended purees to chunkier textures. It even doubles as a baby bottle warmer, ensuring milk or formula is heated evenly for a comfortable feeding experience. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.